again, as I said, we're all here for this, to send this gentleman off with nothing but love and nothing but respect for everything that he's ever done for this club. And I'll tell you this without a doubt. There may be another person that wears a number 9 shirt, but this guy is the only guy in my heart, and I know that he's been absolutely just phenomenal. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, Sebastian. I appreciate everything you've done. We all appreciate everything you've done, and we wish you nothing but the best moving forward.
Retire number 9!
Sorry, no.
What the fuck are you saying?
Just right now was Karina Kazawa, so I'm going to listen to I promised my girlfriend I was not going to cry tonight, but it's very hard, you're it's the reason why I play soccer, and
Don't worry, Sebastien.
Just thank you. I will really miss you, and I really wish you will stay and come to see PHL. It's a great team, lots of great players in this team. Thanks to Kildare, thanks to Kelly. She really helped to make this night happen. She's great. Thanks to Kildare, to all the guys. It was kind of the bar I used to hang out every time after all the wins with my boy Kana Kazawa. Doing some dance move and everything. It was a great time. And I just look forward to see you again in PPL and
In 2 months.
exactly in 2 months. And I'm just going to be enjoying to come back here every time. Just as a tourist, I'm a part of it, and just thank you.
All right, we have a couple things that we want to give Sebastian as parting gifts for him. First of all, we have his French flag that hung in the river end for him every game. So we want to make sure we give that to him to take with him. And last but not least, as I mentioned, he's been an absolute, dream to have here, and he's a phenomenal player. And once again, we're going to present him with the 2011 Most Valuable Player Award, as voted on by everybody here, so we want to present that to him. But again, as I said, guys, we wish this guy nothing but the best, and he's been a true inspiration to me personally, and I know a lot of people in the Philadelphia area, so we love him and we wish him nothing but the best. So thank you again.
Thank you. And I just want to say thank you for coming over. I know I didn't see everybody, and I'm not leaving until I say bye to everybody. So cheers to everybody. Thanks.